everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to add contacts to Gmail. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening a web browser and then go to your Gmail account. Type in mail.google.com in the search box and make your search. Log into your Gmail account if necessary. Once you're logged into your account, click on the waffle menu at the top right corner right next to your profile picture. Now go to Contacts from the expanded menu. This will open up your Google Contacts page. Click on Create Contact at the top left. Now select either to create an individual contact or to create multiple contacts. Let me select the first option. Enter the required contact information displayed on the screen. Start off by adding a profile image if available. Type in the first name of the person in the text box and then type in their surname. Enter the company name, their job title if available, and then type in their email address in the next box. You can label a contact by choosing from the drop-down. Now select the country code where a flag is displayed on the screen if necessary. If not, you can go ahead and type in the contact information of that person. Also, label the contact by picking one of the options from the drop-down. If you'd like to type in any notes, then simply type it in right here. And finally, after you're done, click on Save. Once you do that, you'll be able to add a contact on Gmail. Now, the person will be added to your contact list. Go and click on the waffle menu one more time in order to see if it is added or not. Once you click it on, click Contacts, and you'll be able to find the contact displayed on the screen right here. That is how you can easily add contacts on Gmail. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.